And let's get another check of weather with our chief meteorologist, Dan Cianca. Dan, what's it looking like Saturday night, or especially Sunday, because people will probably be out trying to get to those watch parties with their friends and family?
Well, we've got some rain returning tomorrow. Now, it's not going to be as widespread or as heavy as some of the storms we've seen over the last month and a half, but it certainly could create some slick roadways out there, and there are multiple reasons for that. So let's jump into the forecast. Here's a live look from Domenico's tonight. Looking at cloudy conditions this evening. I did get a report of a little bit of drizzle falling up in the Carmel Valley, Jamesburg area tonight, and we do have some moisture that's beginning to stream ashore ahead of our weather system, which is still sneaking in from the north. It's kind of a complex weather system. There's a cold front really draping all the way from a low pressure area in northern Missouri across the Central Plains. It's hung up on the Rockies here. It's passing into the Great Basin, a little bit hung up over the coastal ranges as well. And that's kind of the leading edge of this very cold air mass. This is sneaking down to the south. Now, ahead of that air mass tomorrow, we'll start to see there's a weak upper level low pressure sitting right kind of in this area. It's just developing, but it is going to start developing some showers tomorrow as some cold air moves in aloft along with it. So we're going to see some showers develop, and then this cold front comes through kind of right on top of that, bringing an even colder air mass into the region. And that is going to lead the way for not only just the chance of some rain, but also some small hail, some snow in the mountains, and even something we call grapple or snow pellets. These are soft little hailstone looking things. They look like Dippin' Dots if you're familiar with that ice cream dessert. If you've ever been to the boardwalk or something, you can get them there, obviously. But they're basically formed in the same manner that hail forms when you have like a tall cloud and you have things circulating in it. During a hail occurs when you actually have full liquid water within that cloud, and it gets to the point where it gets to the freezing point, and then the water freezes, circulates back down, you get another water layer, then it freezes as it goes up and then comes back down. In the case of grapple or a snow pellet, you don't really have that liquid water layer in the cloud at all. You basically just get ice creating a little snowball as it goes up and down, and it gets kind of soft and it's pretty light like a styrofoam ball, and it's technically snow. So if you get grapple tomorrow, you could actually say it snowed, and some of that can reach much lower elevations than a normal snowflake, which melts a lot easier. So something we're watching, a very winter-like storm system for us tomorrow. Now, don't mean we're going to get accumulating snow in the low elevations. That's not expected tomorrow, but certainly up in the mountains, it's going to be cold enough for snow. And snowflakes could reach, 2,000 feet in the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's certainly going to be possible. Those grapple pellets could get even a little bit lower. So something we're watching for you tomorrow. Here's a look at Futurecast. It's showing already by tomorrow morning a few light showers beginning to move in. And again, we already have some drizzle occurring. So this is a process of the atmosphere moistening right now, which is going to continue throughout the overnight into tomorrow. So we'll probably wake up to some patchy drizzle out there, and then a few showers begin to develop. Now, with the heating of the day and the colder air moving in aloft, we'll start to see these taller clouds, these puffy cumulus clouds develop as the air destabilizes. And with that, we'll start to see bigger raindrops and maybe some small hail, and as I mentioned, the aforementioned grapple. The bottom of these clouds will be close to the freezing level, so hail is still on the table, but also grapple is on the table. It's just kind of right along the edge tomorrow. Now, the chance of showers really continues throughout the day tomorrow, and you may actually get through the entire day tomorrow without a single drop of rain reaching your home. It's possible. They're just going to be kind of scattered out there. You may also see 4 or 5 rounds of showers come through. It really just kind of depends on your specific location and where these showers end up. But we'll have scattered showers continuing throughout the day tomorrow, and then slowly weakening tomorrow evening. As that cold air comes in, the chance of the snow getting lower does increase, but also the amount of moisture in the air also decreases. So it kind of doesn't really, line up perfectly. If it lined up a little bit better, we could be talking about some lower elevation snow with this system, but unfortunately not. I think we could see some snowflakes certainly down to 3,000 feet in elevation, though. As for when it all ends, it looks like we could see a couple of lingering showers in the south by early Monday morning, but then after that, things are pretty much done, and we're going to be sitting in a couple of very cold nights. Futurecast precipitation with this storm showing mostly just light amounts. Could see at the most, I could see maybe a ½ an inch in some spots, but I think most locations are going to be between a few hundredths and maybe 2 2/10 of an inch of precipitation. Future snowfall is showing up in our mountains. The model is showing it mostly above around 3,000 feet in elevation. But again, a few snowflakes could get a little bit lower than that. As for your temperatures overnight into tomorrow, it's going to be an interesting temperature forecast because with the clouds in place, we're going to see a mild overnight tonight, and then temperatures will probably go up a little bit tomorrow and then just slowly slide downward. So late morning, we'll have a high. So 42 overnight in Santa Cruz, you're back to 52, and then by tomorrow evening, you're going to be in the 30s. And look at places like Bonnie Doon, for example. Your low only 41 overnight, your high about 44 early tomorrow. And then temperatures will slide down into the 30s. And that's going to be the case for most locations. You're going to see highs early in the day, and then much cooler temperatures tomorrow evening. Only 52 for a high in Salinas and Watsonville tomorrow. Brr. Over to the Monterey Peninsula, expecting a high of 52. 52 is kind of our max number tomorrow, mostly because the ocean temperature is in the low 50s right now, and the air is much colder than that, so we're not going to get much warmer anywhere. Low 50s also in the Salinas Valley, and even some spots topping out only in the 40s. Now, tomorrow night into Monday morning is going to be cold. There is a freeze warning in effect for interior San Benito County, southeastern Monterey County, the Santa Cruz Mountains, the Santa Clara Valley, and then a frost advisory for the near coastal areas. But I'll tell you this, tomorrow morning, or that Sunday morning, excuse me, let me try that again. Monday morning, so this is for Monday morning, is going to be cold. Tuesday morning will be even colder. Our 7-day forecast revealing that by Tuesday morning, the temperature is expected to be a couple more degrees colder. So certainly going to be a frosty one all the way to the coast. And then after that, we slowly warm up, but we have another weak system coming through. At least it looks weak right now. Later in the week, we'll probably bring some light to moderate rain. We'll keep an eye on that for you. Inland areas, some very cold mornings over the next couple of days. Chilly afternoons, too. There's no doubt about it. We're watching for some precipitation late in the week. Oh, yeah, Groundhog Day. Look at that little guy just popping up there on Thursday. That's fun.
All right. Thanks so much for that, Dan.